stuff all over this room. Okay, Haley. Don't get any of me. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a walking horse with an owner.
You like that?
And I think all the rest is for Taylor.
You think all the rest is for Taylor?
Well, maybe this side is for me and that side is for Taylor.
Yeah, that sounds right. I bet those were supposed to go in your stockings, but he couldn't find any. What you think?
Yeah.
Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.